Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tatika, a new esthetician and lash artist, and today I'm coming at you with another one of those quick little tips, the removal process. So here's just a couple things I think it's important to keep in mind that change the game for me, that will change the game for you. Number one, schedule longer than you think. Schedule longer than you think. I don't know what I was thinking. For some reason, I thought that I could get in there and remove all them lashes in like 10 minutes. No, schedule more time than you need, right? You definitely want to have more time than you think you need to be able to remove those overgrown lashes and then get into doing the fill application process, rather than taking way longer than you expected to remove those lashes, which eats into the actual reapplication time, and you just don't get that end result that you want. So definitely schedule more time than you think. I currently schedule about 30 minutes inside my lash appointment, specifically for the removal of the overgrown lashes. That gives me plenty of time to remove everything I need. I can be gentle with the lashes. I don't have to rush, and I can make sure that I'm removing everything that I should be removing. And that way I don't, I go into the application process feeling good about it, and I'm still in my allotted time slot for it. Number two, when you're removing the lashes, make sure that you remove all the lashes that need to be done. And what I mean by this is, in the beginning when I was talking about how I wasn't scheduled enough time, what I would end up doing I would leave overgrown lashes that I really should have removed. And in your head you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, right? If there's more lashes left over, that means less lashes that you have to actually lash, and then you're gonna get through the appointment quicker, right? Sounds like fun, right? Not always. What ended up happening was that I was leaving lashes that were overgrown, and you couldn't really tell when I was applying the new lashes, but once the client opened their eyes, that's when I was really able to see how the overgrown lashes that should have been removed but I kept on there really messed up the set. So you really want to make sure you remove all of those lashes. And honestly, when you look at it, I know you're probably thinking, how do I know? Trust me, when you look at those lashes, you know the ones that need to get out of there and be, and just be relashed, versus the ones that you can keep. Trust me, you'll know. But just don't be, you're going to be tempted. Go ahead and remove them anyways. Number three, when you're removing the lash, remove from the bottom of the lash, not the top. I believe it's called the banana peel method, where you grab a hold, you're using your tweezers, of course, when you grab a hold of the natural lash and the lash extension and you peel them apart. Well, what I found when I did that was a lot of times it would leave that natural lash just very fragile, and I felt like I was almost splitting the natural lash. So what I started doing was, instead of going from the top and splitting it down, I went from the bottom and split it apart that way. And I noticed that the lashes, the natural lash, looked much more healthier. They were stronger, and it was easier for me to go back in and relash that lash. So definitely try peeling from the bottom versus the top, and I think you'll have better success that way. Also, I use isolation tweezers whenever I'm removing my lashes. I found that a lot of times when I was trying to use volume tweezers or like boot tweezers, I wasn't getting the grip that I needed. And I don't know if you've been here yet, but if you don't have a grip on the natural lash and on the lash extension when you're trying to remove, you're going to hurt the client, and the process is going to take way longer than you want to, and you're going to end up damaging something. So I would say, if you're struggling or you're having issues removing, try using isolation or classic lash tweezers for the removal process. So I think that's it. Again, if you have some tips on the removal process that you think just makes it easier or quicker, definitely comment down below, because I am constantly on the lookout for ways to improve my efficiency and just make everything better for me and my client. So I hope this information helps someone else out there. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. And we're here on my channel, take a look around, see what else your girl has to offer. And if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.